In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip image in Adobe Express. Flipping is a quick way to mirror or invert your visuals, and it works the same for photos and videos. A horizontal flip creates a left to right mirror, while a vertical flip turns your content upside down. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it confidently every time. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer, give it a moment to load, then make sure you're logged in so your work can be saved to your account and synced across devices. On the left side of the interface, you'll see navigation options. Click either Your Stuff if you want to work in an existing project, or Start New Design to begin fresh. Then, choose New Design to open a blank canvas where we'll add media and flip it. Now let's bring in content. On the left panel, click Add Content to open the asset options. Choose Media to access your files and built-in libraries. For this demo, select Videos, then pick Sample Videos. Using sample assets is a convenient way to practice without hunting down files. After your first video loads into the project, add another video the same way. Click Add Content again, choose Media, go to Videos, and then drag a second sample video onto the canvas. You should now see two separate clips in your project. Select the first video by clicking it on the canvas or in the Layers panel. With it highlighted, look to the left side controls and open the position options. Inside position, click Flip Horizontal. You'll see the video instantly mirror from left to right. This is great for changing the direction of movement or balancing a composition. Just keep in mind that any text inside a flipped asset will appear reversed, so only use horizontal flip on text when that effect is intentional. Next, click the second video to select it, return to the same position panel, and choose the vertical flip option. This inverts the video top to bottom, which can be helpful for reflection effects or creative layouts. The flip toggles are non-destructive, meaning you can click them again to return to the original orientation at any time. A quick tip before we wrap up: flipping applies to whichever layer you've selected, so double check that you've clicked the correct item. If you're working with images instead of videos, the exact same position and flip controls apply. And if you want multiple elements to flip together, group them first so they move as one. That's it. Simple, fast, and precise. Now you know how to flip image in Adobe Express.